this is Louisa from LA Paper Studio, and I have a quick layout. I'm just going to put it together very quickly on camera and put it in fast forward. I know I haven't been posting videos. It's been very difficult. I live in a place that has very horrific upload speeds for internet, and it prevents me from doing more and uploading more. But I'm trying to get there, so I hope you enjoy this. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this layout, and probably I'm going to put the process and fast forward a little bit. I know I did some work on it outside of the camera, and I haven't, this isn't exactly a tutorial. I haven't been doing tutorials, honestly, because it's mainly because of time. I have a little girl, a lot of things have changed. So it's been kind of difficult for me to really get into my craft room at all. And when I do get in my craft room, I miss it so much that I just get down to business and start doing things and cutting things. And then by the time that I have the idea, or I organize everything together to start filming, everything's pretty much done. So I probably will be doing a little bit of a tutorial video on how I got these super cute cutouts. How I'm speeding up my process, and it's helping me create so much faster and is so much more efficient. So I don't know if you noticed, but actually these are printed cuts, and I just layered a few pieces that I've deemed were like the high detail colors. So for instance, for Wilma and for Pebbles, the orange here is layered, and the green a little dress for Pebbles. But then for Wilma, the white, just because I wanted that to be very distinctive. And then for instance, for Dino, it's the purple piece of his body. But you can see these two pieces I did not cut, and you can see that the purple is so much more, so much less intense because it's printer generated. And I just have a regular inkjet printer. I'm not going to, I'm not about to invest in a very expensive printer. The next piece, really, normally I like to have my titles over here, and I actually like the way that looks a little bit better. And so I may play a little bit with this. This I fussy cut, as you can see. This gray piece I also fussy cut, and this, these are all of the images I actually just grabbed from the web. I didn't, there's no Cricut cartridges or any silhouette images out there that I could purchase. I kept the same theme by using Martha Stewart around the page punches, but I only used this one for the border, and then I used this one for the corners. And then I used this brick type of texture embossing folder, and I actually like the way it looks better this way because this is supposed to be the Flintstones. So I think I want the rock to be the part that's like this. So I think I like this better than the title over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adhering this and put the video on fast forward. Layout. It's probably one of my simpler ones. I probably will go back in and maybe cut a little bit of grass and some rocks to add to the corners of these. Like I said, I'm just trying to get back in my craft room and just even get a little bit of crafting done. So this is definitely not one of my better works, but I do love how these turned out, and it did speed up the process. So I'll go ahead and put a video on how to do that, and it will be coming soon. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.